Hey guys, what's up? So I've kind of got a quick unboxing type video because a lot of people have said I should do unboxings. Not even, actually, not a lot of people. Not people from my comment section, just random people have said you should do unboxings when you buy stuff. And the reason I haven't is because I'm really lazy and I'm always excited to open my new products, but I held off on opening this and this. I just randomly, spontaneously I should say, stopped by Best Buy today and bought this new mouse pad and this new mouse. So this I'll probably feature again. I might do a 2019 Christmas shopping guide. I don't know, but something weird like that. But this is the G502 Special Edition mouse. This is $30 right now, with including tax. You have to add tax to that. But this was $30, $29.99 at Best Buy for a G502. So the reason I got it, you're probably saying, well, you already have a G502. Mine's kind of old. It's dirty. It kind of feels weird. Doesn't really look that great, so I thought, why not just grab myself a new one? So I'm gonna open this up while I'm talking about it, and basically, I'm so excited. I really wanted to get a new one of these. Now it looks like it's gray, but I've kind of seen this one before, and I thought it was white. Yeah, that looks more white. Oh wow! Oh, things are falling out. We got a big old Logitech G sticker, and what looks like. Wow, this is weird packaging. Wow. Now that is exactly what I was hoping for. That is, yep, that's a G502, alright, obviously. That is beautiful. It's got, like, the white accents. That is, for reference, this is the comparison. These are the different mice. I guess I should hold it, even though it's not smart. Hold it like that. That's the difference. I think the white does such justice. Now the new, and it even looks newer. Now the difference and big reason I got this one. This is the G502 Proteus Spectrum. This is the G502 Hero. It's got the new Hero sensor, so it's actually better in general. And you've seen how good I am at some games, so I think I've got to get something new. And the mouse pad was just, I wanted something HyperX. I do love HyperX products. I've been using their headset forever, the Cloud 2s. I still have Cloud 2s. I wanted to get the pink edition, but no one seems to have them anywhere. So I went with this mouse pad. Because I do use two Razer mouse pads. They're great, but they're old as heck. And I've heard great things, if I can open this, about these HyperX mouse pads. This is the large version. I was going to get the X large. I just don't need that much space. Oh, perfect. This is a great size for a mouse pad. Oh, yes. This is a perfect size mouse pad. Well, okay, maybe it's a little big. Now this is just a humongous mouse pad, which works great. So, HyperX at the corner. They do have a really cool one, which is like super red. I couldn't even find it. I think they basically stopped it, and now it's like $30 to $40 on Amazon. I don't think I want to get the Howl mouse pad. I think Roku, I don't know who makes it. Rockcat maybe, I don't know. But that's the point. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this little unboxing. These are just two products. I would recommend these. The G502, I've been using these for over a year. Especially when I was pro at some games. I haven't used this mouse pad yet, but I can highly recommend HyperX's products. Not sponsored, just saying. I wish. Sponsor me. But definitely the G502. Highly recommend. Highly recommend HyperX mouse pad. This was $20 as well. This $30 for this. This is better. This was $70 at the time. This was $30. This is a $30 mouse. This is beautiful. So, and even at Best Buy, it's more at Micro Center. If you don't know, they have insane deals at Micro Center. So this is awesome. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. If you want to see more unboxing videos whenever I get new tech, I kind of want to unbox that Vegas 64 Liquid Cooled Edition that's kind of sitting behind me. Although you've kind of already seen them. But that's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, comment below. Please like. It helps. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.